Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to randomize the order of your questions, so how to shuffle them. Uh, but first I just want to mention how to, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the questionnaire and then go to your home page. After that, you should tap on this more form settings button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Tap on settings, which is the second option, and here you can find this shuffle questions feature on the right side column. So tap on it, and here you can shuffle all of the questions or lock questions by setting or typing in the question range. So type it in, and then this option will be enabled automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.